Guess what? I'm so glad we made all these children. Should we make one more? Stop. Trust me.
Maybe
my powers will hold the ocean back. My powers of love.
Animal free, MRE. Animal free, MRE.
Yeah. Got a package from my buddy John. Let's check it out. Holy cow. He loaded this bag. Nice.
Cheese, tortellini, and tomato sauce.
Dude, that's right. Cheese tort is one that you guys really like too. What's the date on this? This looks like a 2012 to 13. Let's see. It is 2013. Almost 2014. 2013, day of 325. Yeah, so basically December 2013. That's awesome. It's almost 2014 MRA. Nice. Yeah, why don't you just dump that out on the floor? What a stud. Yeah, you're gonna eat all those. Very cool coffees and a bunch of treats, a bunch of entrees, and MRE on it. Yeah, I got lots of hot sauce. That's good. Can't ever have enough. What an awesome gift bag. Thanks, John! Dated the coffee wall with all the awesome coffees John sent. Which one are you trying, Candy? The 321?
Yeah, the Vina Cafe. And you wanted me to read the.
Yeah, what does it say?
Oh my goodness.
You speak fluent Taiwanese.
But wait. San what they Kong Tai Ko. Oh gosh. His brother's crying.
Brother's up. That's awesome timing. Ooh, it's awesome.
Get your food, don't play with the food. Ready? Be a good girl.
You coming to say hi to Daddy? Yeah. What? You can wipe it on my pants. Ew. You're gonna wipe everything on my pants, aren't you?
Bobby, hi, Bobby. Whoa, whoa.